Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're delving into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, February 29, 2024, and now we're providing you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of 25,000 companies globally today. This video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Since February 14, 2024, our system has identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate with a score of 4.16. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced a notable gain of 75.92% since we first recommended BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 11 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 6.9% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. A breakout above the top trend line at $3.46 would indicate a stronger upward momentum. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 18.72% potential change, with a return range between -38.80% and 22.18%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, there is a forecasted -18.64% change, with a return range between -77.36% and -16.86%, translating to a price range of $0.761 to $2.79 after a year. Our latest update on BigBear.ai Holdings highlights the fluctuation in stock price, ranging from $3.15 to $3.55 on Thursday. The stock price of BigBear.ai Holdings rose by 7.01% on the last trading day, moving from $3.14 to $3.36. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 12.7%, with a low of $3.15 and a high of $3.55. There has been a 75.92% gain in the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased by -10 million shares on the last day, with a total of 18 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $58.88 million. It's essential to note that a decline in volume at higher prices can signal potential changes in the coming days. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $3.79, while the lowest was $1.16. Currently, the price is 11.35% or $0.430 below the 52-week high, and 79.16% or $12.76 below the all-time high on April 6, 2022, when it reached $16.12. Analysts have given BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. The PE ratio and price to book are both rated as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a surprising buy rating. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock shows positive signals for investors. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a buy opportunity. The relation between the two signals supports this, with the short-term average above the long-term one. Support levels are at $2.62 and $2, with sell signals possible if these are breached. The 3-month MACD also signals a buy. However, caution is advised as volume decreased despite price gains, indicating a potential divergence. Watch for negative signals affecting short-term progress. A recent sell signal from a pivot top suggests a -2.33% decline, with further drops expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 44 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, by signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, by signal 65 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. Looking at the downside, the stock has found support just below the current level at $3.14 based on accumulated volume. However, if there is no support from accumulated volume below this level, the risk is heightened. A drop below the support at $3.14 could lead to a significant decrease in the stock price. This particular stock exhibits high volatility and has a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, indicating it is categorized as very high risk. In the recent day, the stock fluctuated by $0.400, representing a 12.7% change between the high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 20.97%. Let's start by discussing the important fundamental data for BigBear.ai Holdings before exploring potential trading levels. The price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio, compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates the company is not profitable, which could lead to financial challenges or even bankruptcy risks if sustained. Looking ahead, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $0.0700, a figure that can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's delve into potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings stands at $3.44. If you're not holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to break before considering a position. For existing shareholders, this could be a key level for swing trading. On the flip side, the first support level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.14. Should this support hold, it could present a promising entry point with hopes of a rebound. BigBear.ai Holdings has received a combined average rating of sell from multiple analyst sources. Let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 31, 2024, Carolyn Blankenship conducted an insider sell of 50,672 shares of common stock. On December 31, 2023, Norm Loudermilch conducted an insider sell of 28,562 shares of common stock. On December 31, 2023, Amanda Long conducted an insider sell of 42,921 shares of common stock. On December 31, 2023, Carolyn Blankenship conducted an insider sell of 343 shares of common stock. On December 31, 2023, Julie Peffer conducted an insider sell of 617 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -49.644. In summary, insiders purchased 4,500,152 shares and sold 12,697,637 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.23, minus 3.86%. This stock exhibits significant daily movements, translating to high risk. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top observed 2 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Multiple short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. BigBear.ai Holdings stock has the potential to perform well in the short term. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, March 1st, we anticipate BigBear.ai Holdings to open lower by $0.0067, starting trading at $3.35. It's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your investment actions. Here's our current take on the stock. Share your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? Let us know your target price for this stock in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy trading from all of us at Stock Invest.